Mobile device experience for the past 10 years hasn't changed much. We still use each device for different tasks. It's time to combine new technologies together to improve our experiences and capabilities. What if you could get a tooltip or an indication over a button just before you tap on it? What if you could touch and feel virtual objects such as a button, a keyboard, and a texture? And what if you could use any regular pencil to write a quick note and cast your device screen to any large screen at your home, your office, or at your class? But except improving our mobile devices, let's see first how they can help us improve our user experiences in other fields. Human-computer interaction for the past 30 years hasn't changed much. Proxy devices such as a mouse and a keyboard are still comfortable for everyday use. But is this way of interaction really relevant for nowadays? For desktop workspace, it is the most comfortable way of interaction. Sitting against the screen while your hands are on the table, resting while working, it's the best ergonomics. But single point of interaction using a mouse is a huge limitation nowadays. And it's not intuitive as multi-touch devices that most of us already use, especially elderly people and kids who prefer touch devices than computers. So why limit ourselves when in real life we make a full use of our hands? It's pity not being able to enhance our user experiences with smart connectivity even in our workspace. So what if we abandon the traditional mouse and keyboard and replace it with other ways of interaction? By separating the touch surface from the computer screen and using your mobile device to control everything on your computer screen, just as you used to do with mouse and keyboard. But that way you get multiple points of interaction with both of your hands. Your hands are in resting position. Your fingers are hovering over the device screen and you see their representation on your computer screen. Tap any finger and you will get a confirmation, so you won't have to take your eyes from your computer screen, not even when you are typing. More than that, this approach opens up a completely new ways of interaction with creative applications, 3D modeling, music, and so much more. Just by using your mobile device as an advanced multi-touch surface for your computer and by taking the full advantage of connectivity. So every new file you create is available on the go. This will upgrade your entertainment experience too, by casting your device screen to your TV and controlling it without even having to look on your device screen. Watching your videos, browsing your pictures, playing games, and even delivering a presentation. Let's see how this can be achieved by reviewing required technologies. As you can see, some of the technologies are already available, but no major manufacturer that implements them all into one device. As for experienced designers and developers among us, I believe this will be a game changer. We will be able to develop and to deliver new user experiences. I believe that this new kind of touchscreen should be a standard, and since nothing changed in multi-touch experience in the last 10 years, it's time to do something about it. And this is why I'm already developing this, hopefully to make computers much more fun and interactive, even for elderly people, kids, and visually impaired people. So let's improve the way we interact with our devices and also take the desktop experience to the future. And this is just the beginning.